parents and being gay and having a boyfriend and a child, and that's really interesting and certainly a good start for a story about someone a lot like you.
Oh, bless you. One day I could probably like put my creativity and my feelings into one thing and create something. I never would have identified my feelings in a way that you guys did for me. See the way you're putting it, like it's definitely like a wake up, kind of expanding my mind kind of thing, and take that with me forever. It's really brutal what I did. I do know the effect that I had on you guys, and I really am truly am sorry. I really am. I'm glad I actually got to apologize to you.
They sick when they stroke people, don't they?